Welcome to Chef and Fitness. So as we are in the egg season, today we are coming to do omelette. Yes, the proper way of doing omelette. So now we crack our eggs. We combine like 3 eggs together. So I have my 3 eggs together. I'm going to mix it with a whisker, the hand one. So you have depending on how you want it, you can use any type of vegetables. I have my onions, my tomatoes, and my carrots. Then I have my peppercorns. I prefer those ones. Just see. So that's what I will use. We have our hand whisker here, so it's time to mix it. Mixing it all together evenly. Today I said I'm going to show you how to make omelettes. Not a Ghanaian way, a professional way. And whenever you are whisking, make sure it goes the same direction. You can see it's getting beautiful already. So with the omelettes, you preheat your pan and add your oil. You can add any type of oil that you want to use. Now I'm coming to use my vegetable oil. You can use butter if you want to make sure it spreads very well. And yeah, not too much of it all, but the eggs I'm using is quite a lot. You saw it's 3, and you don't want it to be stuck in the pan, so you let it be on it. Now it's time to add our eggs. Make sure it covers the pan. Let it sit for some time. It's time to add our babies here. Trust me, we are creating something here, so you have to make sure you spread it so nicely, then the colors will come. Like I said before, you can use any type of veggies that you want to. I like more onions, so I'm going to add more onions. Once you have covered your egg with all the vegetables that you have or that you want to use, you now turn it up. But look at it, it's almost dried up. That's how you want it, so that when you turn it up, it wouldn't do something. So let's go, honey. Please subscribe. Woo! We did it, guys. Now it's ready. You have your way of turning your eggs. This is my way. When it's on fire, you can add your salt and pepper, but I prefer it when it's done like this, so that I taste the salt very freshy, because I don't want a lot of salt. Then you add your pepper, sprinkle a little of it like this. You're good. Your sunny side up is good. Now let's try and take a bite. So here we go. Please subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Enjoy. Try it and send us a DM or comment.